Loud noise when dryer drum spinning. Cause. Modelized lavatherm 37700.
Hi. If you turn the drum by hand, do you hear the noise? Whereabouts roughly is it coming from? Front, back, top, or bottom? Regards.
1. Yes, but at a lower frequency than if it's spinning fast as per on a cycle 2. Bottom.
Hi. Okay, check this first. Open the door and feel inside at the front. You will the gap where the drum runs at the front. Feel all round there and see if there's anything stuck in there. If that's fine, then you need to pull the dryer out and remove the top and the left-hand side panel. From there you will see the motor at the bottom. On there is a jockey wheel. Check these and see if they have broken, as if they have it will cause it to go noisy. Again, if that's okay, then you need to remove the bulge cover on the back and check the fan at the bottom. If all that's okay, then the fault will be the drum bearing on the back. So check them and see what you find. It will be one of the above at fault here. Regards.
Hi, sorry to be so long in replying. Took everything apart and the problem seems to be that the belt around the drum had frayed and part of it was hanging loose. Jockey wheel O. K. I think needs to be replaced. You are talking to a dumb old lady.
Hi. No worries, Therese, no rush anyway. If it's the belt that's frayed, then it will need to be replaced. Now to replace the belt, you need to remove the back panel of the dryer and slid it onto the drum from the back and then fit it round the motor and jockey wheel. Regards.
Thanks a million. You have been very helpful. I will rate you as excellent.
Hi. You're very welcome. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Even after rating, you can get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.